How to add order comments in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a comment onto the orders that you have into your Shopify store. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you're going to be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over your admin dashboard of your Shopify store. So once you are here, you are going simply to select the orders. So here in my case, I have two orders or two complete orders. So I'm going to start the creation of the order from scratch and let you see how we can process the thing. I'm going to select a product. For example, I'm going to add this one and then we're going to see here the product. So I'm going to click on mark as paid and then I'm going to create the order. This is the first thing. So here we are going to see the order. As you can see, you can start by fulfilling the order or the item manually, or you can go ahead and request the fulfillment if it is going to be from a third party platform like DShares or CJ Dropshipping or AutoDS like mine here. So if I scroll down a little bit, we're going to see something called timeline. So here on the timeline, we're going to have here the possibility to add a comment. You can add this comment with an emoji, a mention staff, reference page, or a linked file. So you can add, for example, here as an administrator for the account. If you have some collaborators, you're going to leave a comment. For example, order like that paid. And we are going simply to add here from this one, we're going to add some details. For example, 1000 or number 1500. You can go ahead and add an emoji, for example, just like that, and boom, you're going to post it. And it is going to be on the timeline of that specific order. So you can see that it is going to be for all the orders from this one. Here we have, as you can see, a comment. And if we are going to add something else or another comment into another, for example, here, order, you can go ahead and put, for example, just like that, we're going to post a comment just in here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.